LEVI stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Levi Strauss, it is 2% down. Context of well over 39,000 videos, I spent 5 figures, courses and mentors, and all of that is documented on my YouTube channel. Generally speaking, man, let's come here. You can see that, oh yeah, my drawings are invisible. I'm operating from a paradigm where this is still a bullish range, and honestly, I do still believe that from like a monthly chart perspective. And ultimately, unless the price shows me any sort of shift here, I'm just not gonna look to buy. I mean, I don't know why people are overcomplicating this sort of stuff, but must be met, man. It must be met. So I'm pulling this little confirmation part here, without a price giving me any sort of shift here. I mean, this is like me. This is me assuming, but taking the trades more so like reactions. If there's no confirmation, me buying is just not gonna happen, you know. And then managing the trade game can be crucial, where we can actually hold it to like 27 and onward. I'm gonna keep you updated. If you want to stay tuned regarding Levi, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free newsletter.